Hey there, welcome back to the channel. We recently acquired this Chevy C10 square body. It's I think about a 1985, 1987, something like that. At any rate, we've got to do some general maintenance to it since it's new to us, make sure that things are working. One thing I noticed when riding it is the shock absorbers are pretty bad. It tends to bounce a lot and drift in the lane. So let's take a look at how you determine if your shock absorbers are bad. We'll probably also cover replacing them, though replacing them on something like this is, a real simple, probably 10-15 minute job, but we can do it anyway. Let's get to it. The job of a shock absorber is effectively to keep the bounce of a vehicle. Basically, when you hit a bump, the spring causes a bounce, and it keeps it from continuing to cycle. So the shock absorber dampens that. To check to see if they're bad, what we're going to do is we're going to get the vehicle bouncing up and down, and then stop forcing it to bounce and see how many cycles it goes through afterward. You can see how much it kept bouncing after that. That is definitely problematic. So replacing a shock absorber is really, really easy. On this vehicle, it's got this upper bolt here, so we take that nut off, and then it's just an eye and it'll slide out. And down at the bottom, you can see it's really similar. So basically we just take those two off, pull it out, and then replace it with the new shock absorber. Over here on this side, take a look at this. That is definitely not what it's supposed to be like. So that's definitely a problem. We'll have to address that. A lot of gas shocks will come with something like this plastic tie on here, or a wire tie holding the two ends together. That makes it a little bit easier to get it into position, and then once you get it in position, you just cut this wire and it'll expand. All right, now let's test the this replacement. So you can see it's cycling a whole lot less now with that new shock. We'll go through, replace the other three, and we'll be ready to go on the road. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.